Have you ever wanted to remove a Google account from your Android phone, but you were afraid of making a mistake, or maybe you deleted it and now you don't know how to add it back? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to safely remove a Google account and how to add it back again without confusion. Stay with me and let's do it together. So the first thing to do is to go to your settings. Okay, go to your settings on your Android phone. Alright, then click on users and accounts. Okay, so once you are done with that, so you will get to this place. Then click on Google. Where you see Google, you click on it. Click on Google like this. Alright, so any account you want to remove, any of your Google accounts you want to remove, you click on it. Okay, you click on it like this. So if you want to remove it, you press this three icon here. You click on it, then you click on remove account. Let's see. Okay, you click on okay. So removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from the phone. Okay, that means when you remove this account, when you remove this Gmail account from this phone, it's going to automatically delete all the messages, contacts, and other data from the phone. Okay, if you are okay with that, you continue. You click on remove account. Okay, so once you click on remove account, it's done. Look at it. Is done. Then that account is done already. So if you want to see bring back the account, so this is what we are going to do. Alright, so the next thing to do if you want to get the account back, click on your Gmail. Your Gmail, you are going to see where they wrote add accounts. Add accounts. As you can see, the email we deleted is no longer here, so you are going to click on add account. Okay, so that you can recover that account that we just deleted back, in case you just want to add another account on your device. Maybe you have an email address before, or you bought a new phone, so you want to add the account back to your phone. Click on add account. Okay, click on Google. Alright, okay, so if you don't have email address, from here you can just create an email address, but we already have an email address. Okay, so if you already have an email address, just put your email address. So the email address we just deleted is easytechguide11@gmail.com. So you are going to bring the email back. So I'm using it to teach you guys how to restore your email to your device. So you click on next. You click on next. So look at the email we just removed from our device. So we are bringing it back. So you put your password. If you don't know your password again, this is the moment you click on forgotten password. That is, if you don't know your password, you click on forgotten password. But I know my password, so I'm going to go ahead and put the password right now. So I'm done putting my password. So now we are going to click on next. Okay, click on next. Then click on agree. I agree. Click on I agree. So here you can choose to add a recurring number on this email and or add a recurring email. Okay, a recurring email is just like a backup to this email address. It's very, very important. You can see add it. So I'm going to be using AI content email. Then a recurring phone number. You can add any phone number you want. Once you are done putting a recurring email and a recurring phone number, what you will do is to click on save. So this is very important to put a recurring number and a recurring email. So it's going to be very easy for you to restore your email address in case you've forgotten the password or something happened. So you are going to get alert on either the recurring email or the phone number. So you click on save. Okay, it will ask you to set your home address, but if you don't want to set your home address on this email, you can kindly skip. Okay, but if you want to put your home address, you can put it. So our email address is back, so we are done with that. Look at the email that I used for the recovering email. Look at it. They say someone added you as their recovering email. So let's open it and see together. Alright, look at it. Someone added aicontent215@gmail.com as their recovering email. So if you add any email address as a recovering number, that email address will actually be notified. And if someone is trying to log into your email, your recovering email is going to also be notified and you are going to receive email. So putting a recovering email is very good, like for security. Okay, also for security's sake, after adding your recovering phone number, you are going to see get notified that the recovering phone was added. Okay, then they will go ahead and ask you if you are the one. If you are the one that changed the recovering phone number and all of that, you click on yes, it was me. Or if you know that you are not the one that changed the phone number on your email, just click on no, secure account. Okay, so it's very important if someone is trying to hack your email. So just be aware. You just receive this kind of message. If you are not the one that is trying to change the number or anything, just click on no. But if you are the one, click on yes. So I'm not going to click on yes that I'm the one. Alright, then done. So there was still another mail we got from Google, security alert. If you see any mail like this, security alert, please just take it very important, especially if you are not the one responsible for that. Okay, recovering email was added. Okay, if you are not the one that added it, you can see be very fast to report. Okay, look at it. They say if you are the one that, okay, they say a recovering email was added, aicontent215@gmail.com. If you didn't change your recovering email, someone else could be using your account. Okay, they say, do you recognize these activities? If you are the one that changed it, you say yes, it was me. But if you are not the one, you say no, secure account. Then Google will secure your account. Okay, if someone is still trying to hack it, Google will actually notify you. Alright, so thank you guys for staying to this very moment. So we are already done. So we are done with that. So let's check if our email address is back. Remember, it's easytechguide11@gmail.com. So here is it. Our email address is back. Remember, it wasn't here before. After removing it from our device, so it's now back and stronger and better. So thank you guys. If you know that you learned something from this video, please kindly subscribe, like, drop positive comment, and also share this video to someone that needs it. And if you also want me to teach any other topic, just feel free to drop it on the comment section. Thank you guys for staying to this very moment. So see you guys on my next video.